I'm asked all the time, how did Sisel get started and what started the Mower Mission? Well, at Sisel, our mission is about health, wealth, and happiness in creating a business environment that is derived towards making people as successful as they can become. Success is defined by customers and distributors who find success through health and wealth, financial freedom, better health, better business opportunities. But the real story, it started over 30 years ago. Dad had a very successful industrial chemical business. But what he noticed changed our lives forever.
Son of a gun. That hurts. But my body will repair it. But you know, I'm working around these harmful industrial chemicals, the kinds that I used to make in my industrial cleaning business. And I made about 400 of them, and we had to give material safety data sheets because many of these ingredients in them, when you get them on the skin, are very harmful and even toxic to the body. Propylene glycol, which is used in industrial antifreeze, and also it's in hydraulic fluid and brake fluid and things like that. The material safety data sheets at that time says it causes kidney damage and liver abnormalities. And the aggressive cleaners that are in the engine degreaser just eats proteins and compounds like that so they can be washed away. We clean slaughterhouse floors and degrease locomotives and things like that because it just eats everything so it can. This is car antifreeze, has ethylene glycol. Drink it and you die. So you know why you wouldn't want to put that on your skin. So the reason we had to give material safety data sheets to our customers and warn our employees is because what's in this bottle. Our employees had to wear protective clothing and masks and things like that, and if they ever got any on them, they were instructed to strip them off, jump in and pull an emergency shower immediately because they were so harmful to the body. It led to one thing. I got up to be a label reader as I looked in my shampoo, on my shampoo bottle one day and turned it over and read the ingredients. And I thought, oh my gosh, all the ingredients that are here and more that were potentially harmful were in my hair shampoo. And I thought, how could they be there? I could not believe why we would want to put ingredients like that on our skin. So I walked around and I took a wastebasket and I read a bottle, and if it had it on it, I threw it in. Lotion, shampoos, cleansers, toothpaste, everything. And when I got done, I had nothing left to use.
I can still remember Dad walking around the house throwing shampoo, lotions, toothpaste in the garbage. The amazing part of this was years before anybody realized that the industrial chemical ingredients were used in personal care products. They were actually poisoning us.
I remember the first time I realized just how serious my dad was. We were on our way to our annual trip to the Teton National Forest. We had stopped at a gas station like we always do to get some treats, food, and magazines, and I wanted to get some tanning lotion. So as we went through the checkout line, I remember I watched my dad reach out and grab the bottle and turned it around, and he started to read what was in it. So I just watched him for about 20 or 30 seconds, and he finally looked up and said, "Who's buying this? Whose is this?" And I said, "It's mine. Why?" And he said, "Well, there are ingredients in this bottle that I'm not going to let you put on your body." And that's the first time Dad showed me to turn the bottle.
At first, people thought we were crazy. Now they acknowledge what we've been saying for over 3 generations, that these ingredients are harmful and they should not be in personal care products.
And you know, we took a big stand against the biggest personal care companies, big pharma, and even the government, because we wanted to ensure that our family and your family were safe, and the Sisel Safe seal guarantees it.
As you can tell, the Mower Mission is really important to us. It's a tradition that's been handed down generation to generation. And as a family member and part of Sisel, I'm really excited to see where will the next generation take it.
I was born in the Mower Mission, and it's literally the only thing that I know. I started working with Sisel when I was 16 years old, and I would come over after my classes and I would mow the lawns and I would sweep the shop and I eventually started working in the call center to my current position now in operations. I have big shoes to fill, and I feel as though I'm literally walking in the footsteps of giants. I know and truly believe in the Mower mission. In my family, we are very passionate about helping people improve their health, helping people improve their wealth, and helping people improve their happiness, and doing all this while protecting the environment that we love so much.
So come join us on this worldwide mission.
Turn the bottle.
Protect your family.
And help make the world a better place.